We're the Arax Dancers of Fresno, California, United States of America. We're part of a folk dance group that has been doing Armenian folk dances for many years, and we are going to share with you a couple of dances so that you will learn how to dance them too. I'm Zaroohi Der Mugrdechian. I have Ariana Garabedian, Alexis Nahigian, Matthew Mugrdechian, and Andrew Hagopian here with me today, and we know you're going to really enjoy this. Have fun! In most Armenian folk dances, we hold little fingers. That's our connection. So very gently, you lift your hands and you connect with the person next to you using that little finger hold. Step forward with the right foot, and again, and stamp 2 times, back with the right foot, forward and back with the left foot, and then step behind with your left foot. Forward, step, and stamp 2 times, back, and forward, back, and back with the left, and step behind. Forward, step, stamp, step back, go forward and back with the left, and step behind. Forward, step, and stamp, go back, and step behind. Step forward and stamp 2 times, back and forward and step, and back again with the left and step behind. Step forward with the right, step, and back and forward and back, then go back with the left, step behind with the left. Step forward, stamp, step behind and back again with the left, step behind. Forward, stamp 2 times, back with the right, forward and back, step behind.
Ay Tamzara, Tamzara, goriga namaz hara. Ay Tamzara, Tamzara, goriga namaz hara. Akçıgın ıstat gârera, dağaknera gâdiden. Ay Tamzara, Tamzara, goriga namaz hara. Tamzara, 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 Tamzara. Tamzara, Tamzara, akçıgın ıstat gârena, sirun güyna vor khali. Ay Tamzara, Tamzara, goriga namaz hara.